This is Domino Bridge, fund options in July of 2024 for Concentric Industries. Domino Bridge is the moniker for the critical push that sets sustained finance in motion. If you have the Adobe file of this presentation, the lower left has a link for a 2-minute introduction to Concentric Industries, a public benefit corporation and international decentralized autonomous organization with registered business locations on 6 continents and award-winning application of its Vanguard green tech spanning 4 decades. Who is Concentric? On the right in the Adobe file is a link to our website. Our corporate purpose, via our unprecedented fleet of 22 stewardship tech patented technologies, is to purposefully resolve humanity's gravest challenges that are borderless: hunger and dehydration, poverty and pollution, disease and climate. Concentric represents the future of energy, food, air, and water for the whole world. Our mission and commitment is dedicated to tackling some of humanity's most pressing challenges through innovative and sustainable solutions. Rooted in the resonance movement, we aim to create essential needs, energy, food, air, and water, while fostering economic progress, ecological stewardship, social equality, and spiritual power, the keys to total prosperity. Innovative solutions and global impact are reflected in how we pioneer groundbreaking technologies, including our fleet of 22 green tech patents designed to revolutionize how we approach environmental and societal challenges. With over $400 billion in secured contracts, puts us on a trajectory toward $1 trillion in operating assets by the end of this decade. Concentric is uniquely positioned to lead in all sustainability spaces across all 7 continents. This brief presentation presents either of 2 dominoes: an impact in a Middle Eastern initiative of just $72,500, and a bridge loan for pre-approved financing for an East African development at $7,250,000. All of which are inclusive of what comes next. The orange link at the top of the page brings you to a 1-minute video introduction about the value of the nautical stewardship coin. The flyer on the right explains why it's way more than cryptocurrency. The NSC is the world's first and only blockchain currency backed by real bricks and mortar IP and the pure commodities made from them. 1,852,000,000 NSC have been minted in both Wyoming as well as in Panama. A market appraisal of $2,000 per NSC reflects the multi-trillion-dollar market capacity of Concentric, and a pre-launch valuation of at least $20 per NSC has floated through the markets. In the Panama Foundation, with our International Business Corporation, pre-launch is underway right now. Back to the Middle East, in Oman, Concentric has forged the Muscat Concentric Alliance with officials from the Sultanate of Oman. The top link is a short introductory video to the MCA. The second link is a summary of the strategic plan that is a quarterly document regarding different projects and developments targeted by the initiative. The third link is a copy of the Muscat Concentric Alliance agreement, in which Concentric maintains 80% ownership but carries some nominal financial responsibilities in its standard business plan of being an engineer, financier, constructor, owner, and operator of the facilities. The final link contains details regarding the initial launch project in Muscat, a waste-to-energy facility that's pioneering CAMEA, Concentric's pollution-free system that is under agreement and negotiation for hundreds of other deployments around the world. The $72,500 value cements the establishment of Muscat branch office for Concentric, including legally mandatory year lease plus essential administrative capital. The incentive is $100 million NSC plus 10% ownership in the MCA. To make this investment, it's simple. Concentric has a Wise international account in New York. The details are shown on this page. The larger of the two options, the $7,250,000, links to Africa Job 1. We have a $360 million family office loan approved. It requires a $7.2 million equity trigger as an insurance policy. The clean energy project cost is $280 million. The extra $80 million covers broker fees, contingencies, and working capital. Our offer is $9.6 million within 1 week after the $7.2 million closes the funding. Who will be the domino? The links show a background on the Dar es Salaam project that's been approved. We're calling it the Perpetual Domino because its funding will seed the company going forward for similar loans that have been offered. The Kinyarizi loan agreement is also attached. And the flyer indicates our business license in Tanzania, Concentric Industries Tanzania Limited. And the graphic shows Bushnell Thermodynamic, one of Concentric's multiple patents. This one regarding combined cycle gas turbine technology, the Kinyarizi project, which Concentric's founders pioneered in the United States in the 1990s. This is a tremendous initial project in Africa, proven technology, and this bridge loan is guaranteed to be repaid with 30% additional principal within 1 week. This is a secured transaction with a bona fide lender and a family office. The presence and agreement and witness of the financial partner is needed in this scenario and desired. We're looking for a partner to join with us and kick off this tremendous prosperity that awaits us. 33 years of work has set the table for these arrangements. We're ready now. Again, Concentric's Wise international account in New York is a suitable spot for investment, and certainly before any transfers are made into the loan officials, the presence of the investor would be welcome and appreciated. The brokers for the lender have offices in Nairobi and Victoria, British Columbia. The project in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, the family office is in Europe, in Belgium. So there's many places and many venues that would be suitable for this arrangement. In closing, a simple certification of authenticity. I am J. Garrett Smith, founder and chief technology officer of Concentric Industries. Thanks for listening. The future starts now.